Okay, I want to talk about how to open Sebenza. This is a replica Sebenza, which is very difficult to open in one hand, but I show you how to open it smoothly because it is a frame lock like this, you can see, and this clip here is pushing the lock mechanism there, and it holds the blades very firmly, and you cannot open it like this, like a usual one. So I found one way to open it. I guess maybe you people have another way to open it, but I have one way to open it. It is very easy for me. I show you. So like this. I'll have to close it like that once more time. So it's very easy. So again, or you can flip it. No, here, then you flip it. Sorry, the background is too tight. Here, and then flip it. Okay, very easy. Now, how to do that? First, we have to know that this clip here is pushing the locking, the frame lock here, and then there is a small ball that pushing the blade into the place. So put your index finger here. It is for pulling this lock. Pull it this way. So put it this way. So put your index finger here inside the lock, and then the rest of your finger at the pocket clip, and then when you are pushing your finger into the thumb stud there, and then you drive this thumb stud, this one here, this way, so like that. It is very easy, very smooth. Yeah, a lot of people find very hard to open a Sebenza, especially the replica like this. It is very hard to open with the usual, but now you can see it's very easy to open it. So one more time. Okay, so put your index finger here, and then pull the lock, and then this one here, push it 90 degree down, and then follow through. Okay, very easy. One more time, very easy. Okay, so put your index finger here, the rest of your finger not to push the lock, so push it down like that. Okay, very easy. And then one more time, push, and then you can do that. Very easy. One more time. So you hold it like this, and then put your index finger there, the rest of your finger at the clip, and then pull the lock, and then simultaneously drive it 90 degree. Okay, so easy. Okay, this is one of the easy way that I found to open the Sebenza. Thank you for watching.